Hey, good morning, Crypto Corner News. Mark's Crypto Corner News. Yes, here we go. Mark's Crypto Corner News. I know I did a report yesterday, but I saw some good articles that I wanted to share. So today being, it's December 1st. Wow, pinch punch birthday month, no returns. That's what we used to say when we were kids. You know, like punch buggy. Here we go. Well, that's British. Pinch punch, first day of the month, no returns. All right, so here we go. Like I said, I'm doing this because of some interesting news articles. One in particular that I will get to, which we will sort of visit down the rabbit hole a little bit. So in small steps, China cuts benchmark interest rates. Also, it's just some financial government thing because they have a big economy. And the Chinese government nevertheless realizes that its behemoth economy is invariably slowing down. New loan interest rate cuts have been announced recently to encourage bank lending and borrowing in the private sector. With a brewing liquidity crisis, however, not all effects might be, in the end, turn out to be great. Okay, so that's it. You know, governments do that around the world to try to control the economy and inflation and all that stuff. So, hope that guy doesn't, girl, woman, person, doesn't fall in the water. I'm sure they've done that a few times before. So, what's next? U.S. stock markets have a slow 2020. Will investors turn to Bitcoin and crypto? Well, my opinion, yes, because they already are as it becomes more widespread. The U.S. stock market rally in 2019 surprised skeptics as indexes. Wouldn't it be indices correctly? Right and proper. Indexes or indices, I would think, continued to surge despite underwhelming performance and setbacks for the FANG stocks. Now, I don't know what FANG stocks are, but that's what that says there. But Wall Street pundits are predicting that 2020 will be sluggish, kind of like this dude over here. Will Bitcoin and crypto markets get all the attention then? Stay tuned next year for the final conclusion. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. S&P expected to deliver single-digit returns. Okay, so a lot of it is speculation due to job market and all that stuff anyways. And I don't live in the United States. We in Canada. Okay, here we go. What's this? We've got $1 billion worth of XRP, which is Ripple, worth $225 million, released from escrow. Still okay to hold Ripple's token? That is the question. Is it still okay to hold Ripple's token? I own like very little of this stuff, really. I don't know. What do I got? Got some Ripple there. Yeah, I have $11 worth of Ripple. So, that's kind of cool. And these things are airdrops, which we'll talk about a little later on. Somewhat of an airdrop. Anyways, Ripple. So what's going on with Ripple? Ripple Inc. Incorporated unlocked its monthly escrow, raising more questions about the performance of Ripple XRP. Over the course of 2019, the token has underperformed, also losing hopes of an end-of-year rally. Ripple's long-term holding still won't pay. Ripple is still down around 30% this year as 2019 nears its end. Yes, they're down 30% on the year. Well, since I've only got like $11, I'm not really going to bother with it. Just see what happens. I mean, even if it goes up 100%, it's not going to make or break my bank account. I just bought Ripple for shits and giggles, really. So here we are. I mean, Ripple's not my main thing, right? So this is, we'll go on to the next article. This is the article I wanted to concentrate on a little bit. Top crypto airdrops you should look out for in December, which means you can get a few cryptocurrencies into your wallets for nothing, for free, just spending a bit of time. See where they do the airdrops so they can get their coins and tokens out to the market. So crypto airdrops are the latest marketing trend in the crypto world. It enables new projects to reach their user base as well as established companies to reward and maintain the interest and activity of loyal users. If you are looking to get some free tokens in your wallet this December, here are some of the airdrops that you can get in on. Now, I'm going to go down this rabbit hole because it's very interesting. As long as the internet connection is pretty good, here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna like that as well. So here are stellar lumens, which I did get some of from Coinbase. They were doing a little thing where you can get into Coinbase, and they do a few airdrop things with some of their coins if you take a bit of time and watch some videos. Let's see, if we go over to the home page of Coinbase, these guys do it a bit. Where is it? Portfolio prices, Coinbase. I thought it was down here somewhere. Maybe they removed it. Also, you can get $10 in Bitcoin if you invite friends and they sign up to Coinbase, so that's legit. So I'll post a link for that. Okay, so oh yeah, here, earn crypto right at the top. I missed it twice or so. Okay, see, I've gone through some of these. I've got some Tezos, I got some DAI, if that's how you. I tried to follow up with this and it's not available yet. I think they still got to do a couple things. And I've done some of this. I've got some. And stellar lumens, there's more remaining here. Zcash, some of this I've gone through and they've paused the program and they might be waiting for another airdrop to come through before they continue. You just watch some videos and learn about it, answer some questions, and boom, they just deposit it into your Coinbase account. So that's kind of cool. I got some BAT. I earned $10 worth of basic attention token. And that's it. So you can earn, just go to Coinbase and learn some things about cryptocurrency, and they'll give you some for free, and you can do whatever you want with them later. So let's go back to the airdrop thing. Do I have the same article open twice? Yeah, let's just close that. All right, here we are. So first one, stellar lumens, which I've got. We could probably get some more if you go through the thing. But on this first airdrop, Stellar is a well-known project in the crypto world. The coin was created to facilitate fast money transfers between banks, payment systems, and people at low prices. There are some restrictions. You must have the Keybase app installed. Identify yourself via SMS. You have to have the app installed on 3 different devices. Your phone number must not be from a country that hasn't attacked a project with fake accounts. And I guess Canada, unless they forgot, because it's not listed here, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Republic of Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States, but no Canada. Is that really meaning to tell me that somebody in Canada has attacked a project with fake accounts? I mean, we get so much fraud, people calling us and try to hack our devices and everything. It's getting really unruly with all these fraudsters. and maybe Canada was included in that. So for me, I've already got some Stellar Lumens, which I acquired through my Coinbase account, so that's okay. I'm not missing out on too much. So there's participation steps. I'm not going to go through every one of these steps for all the airdrops. Also, there's something called Civic. Is a blockchain platform that enables users to keep their identity information secured and protected throughout any verification processes. I think this is supposed to be the word and, not in. Okay. So you can look at the participation steps. I'm going to put a link to this after the video of these this link here on my blog, so you can do that. Take advantage of some airdrops. Let's see, and there's something called ECOSC. It's the native token of a newly created payment network that can be used for trading against gas and oil. That could be handy for the Arabs and people and all that are like the richest monarchy of oil greed in the world. Okay, so there's that. So you can use this security token. Aims to be a decentralized supply chain management solution, which will be available worldwide. And here's the participation steps. Some of them are easier than others to go through. And so the next one, you need a Twitter, email, Facebook, Telegram. Most people have that. And here's the next one. Buckaroo Network. What is that? It's a digital marketplace based on blockchain that can be used for a wide variety of services. Sounds like blockchain already exists. There's so many of them. This platform hosts libraries. The platform hosts libraries with core functionalities that are essential in online marketplace operations or community on mobile phones. I don't really understand what that all means, but hey. The Buckaroo app will also allow support trading and exchange of assets through the use of decentralized applications, DApp, such as Status or Civic. And here's the participation steps. Chat with the robot, join the Telegram, pass the CAPTCHA because you're human, follow them on Twitter, complete the social tasks required, receive a reward, and you can earn addition of 6 more PCKO is the trading symbol for every referral, which is only 45 cents currently. So here's another one, and then all you need: Telegram, email, and Twitter. Next one, Delta Exchange. It's a trading platform that offers investors access to crypto derivatives, including futures contracts on Bitcoin and leading altcoins. I know I'm not really into the derivatives and futures because I don't really understand that. I like to keep things simple, buy low, sell high, make some trades, make a bit of money. So the exchange is available to traders worldwide and features up to 10 times leverage on its crypto contracts. Participation requirements: go to the Delta Exchange, airdrop form, sign up for an account, get your email verified, follow Delta Exchange on Twitter, retweet, submit your details. You'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin as a welcome bonus, and trading profits can be withdrawn, so that's nice. And here's another one, Wazirx. Okay, it's one of the most reputable exchanges in India that support the purchasing of and trading of cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and many other assets on its platform. So this is an exchange. Okay, I know India's government is still working out the details on whether they should support cryptos or not. So I'm not sure on what the updates are on that, but users can easily navigate their interface, which features useful elements such as open order books, charting trade history, deposits, with withdrawal functions, and so on. Wazirx is currently listed on the CoinMarketCap on CoinMarketCap with over 100 trading pairs and the total volume of 404,357. Participation steps: go to the airdrop page, register your details, have your email verified. After know your customer, KYC, know your customer, log in, upload documents like your phone bill or something. Selfies. After your identity has been verified, you will have to deposit a minimum of 1 Ripple or Litecoin. Well, that's easy enough. The exchange will give you a bonus of 200 worth $60, which you can use in your first trade. And all you need is email and ID. That sounds kind of cool. And it's got lots of trading pairs, so I imagine Bitcoin is one of them, maybe Ethereum, I don't know. But $60 is $60, right? It looks pretty easy. So if you want to take the time and get yourself some cryptocurrencies, there you are. Free money, just for a little bit of time. So I will keep this page and then post the link in my blog post there. And now we'll just continue on down here. So that was top crypto airdrops you should look out for in December. And the Jim Bell system revisited. I don't know what the Jim Bell system is. I'm going to be staring down the barrel of an encrypted gun. I don't know what Jim Bell is. I'm not going to bother right now. And some film reveals never before seen information about the Silk Road case. Well, Silk Road, if you remember, was that guy Ross Ulbright was the mastermind behind the website that could supply drugs, murder, and whatever else the dark web has to offer. I don't know. I've never been there. Don't need to go there for anything in my life. But the Silk Road story has some unrevealed facts, I suppose. But watching it's not going to change your life anyways. I wonder if Mr. Trump will give him clemency. I mean, he did get a pretty heavy-handed sentence. He's never getting out of jail. So, I don't know. Kind of on the fence on that one. So what's next? The Green Man walketh. Canadian regulator green lights Bitcoin Fund IPO. The Bitcoin Fund's initial public offering filing has been accepted by Canada's Ontario Securities Commission. Despite previously rejecting it, the Canadian regulator finally accepted the fund's IPO prospectus after a public hearing and a favorable ruling. Also read Bitcoin ATMs installed at 5 major malls in the U.S. The Bitcoin Fund IPO, crypto-focused Canadian blah blah blah. Okay. Well, what do they say about that? See, we could call this Rabbit Hole Sunday. I'm going just the second one to see because it's not my normal report, right? Okay, so crypto-focused Canadian investment. Okay, perspective. November has been receded by the Ontario Securities Commission. So what does this all mean? Bitcoin Fund is a closed-end investment fund established as a trust. So it's like maybe a mutual fund or something. 2 other private digital asset funds, yeah. I would think sort of like a mutual fund where you have a bunch of stocks or crypto in a list and you just win or lose based on their average performance. I don't think I'll be doing anything like that myself. This is a lot of blah 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 stuff. What do you think of this finally accepting IPO filing for Bitcoin Fund? Yeah, well, there are remaining steps for completion before the final offering. Particularly, Commissioner Harbour's order reveals that the final prospectus would include additional information regarding the offering, such as pricing information and details regarding underwriters. Okay, so it's It's not very interesting, but it is another step in the direction of, I would say, normalizing crypto, or spreading the good word, or giving people more ways to potentially create wealth in our lives. More choice, more options. Because I tell you, fiat cash doesn't really cut it in a lot of cases. So there's that. I better hit the back button on that, or we're going to kibosh the whole thing. Okay, and here we are. Ethereum 2.0 upgrade may revive staking in 2020, which is only a month away, but when does that happen? In 2020, we don't know. Ethereum may bring another round of staking enthusiasm if it moves forward to further replace mining in 2020. New staking projects appeared in the past year. Staking coins may come in fashion again as passive income and slow growth replace previous highly speculative uses. Okay, well, some people who believe they are higher ups think Ethereum is going down as a useless cryptocurrency with no intrinsic value, which I believe I talked about yesterday in my report. So this could negate that article, but things change on a daily basis. But overall, banks, financial institutions, and all kinds of other entities are embracing blockchain to help move business along faster and all that good stuff. So it's coming around. So keep an eye on your Ethereum. You never know. You may have a pleasant surprise by mid-year 2020. Because right now it's what's Ethereum at currently? $1.52, 100. Oh, I lost my sign in. There we go. Ethereum, $152.19. So I bought it. It was a little less than that when I bought it, and it's been higher. It's been lower, but that's what it is. So that's Ethereum. Wall Street doesn't get what Bitcoin might be used for. Despite being one of the most discussed topics of the last few years, Wall Street still can't figure out the utility of Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs greater utility. Backed CEO says Adam White, CEO of Bitcoin Futures Exchange operator Backed, said that there needs to be greater utility for Bitcoin. In other words, more uses. Other than trading and making purchases. I mean, well, I don't know. I'm sure somebody will figure it out. But Bitcoin does have its limitations, as transactions per second is pretty low, and the Lightning Network looked promising for a while, but there seems to be some bugs and loopholes in the Lightning Network that was supposed to be a nice add-on for the Bitcoin protocol, but Lightning Network has seen some bugs in the system, as I said. So we'll see how that all pans out. Maybe they'll rejig the Lightning Network and fix it if they can. IMF, International Monetary Fund, calls on Georgia to evaluate crypto income for trade balances. For trade balance, okay. The International Monetary Fund recommends that Georgia include the income from crypto trade and mining in its foreign trade balance reports. IMF welcomes more transparency on crypto mining. The IMF suggestion is quite relevant, given that Georgia is currently the fourth largest producer of digital currencies from mining operations. Where is Georgia? Georgia? Texas? Georgia? Is that where it might be? It doesn't look like it. It looks like some other country. I don't know. Okay, so that's my Sunday Crypto Corner news report, which I don't usually do. Went down a couple of rabbit holes, and that's okay. It's all in good fun and education, of course. This is educational. So that's it. Put your email there and find a like button somewhere. You could go to reviews in my blog here. There's a couple of things that you can look at. It's a slow website. Yeah. Some reviews on things and some resources, which you will see. Some wallets, exchanges, currency converter. That's my pop-up. Currency converter, which takes you to another site, but you can convert BTC to USD and see what the trades are, and sort out what you're doing, making, buying, selling trades and all that stuff. So that's just a handy little tool that you can click onto. Also cryptonyms, which I always come across a new acronym based on cryptocurrency. I'll call them cryptonyms. My special word that I made up. I think I didn't hear it anywhere else except in my own head. So I actually haven't updated this in a while, but FOMO, fear of missing out. There's a few other cryptonyms I could add to this for sure. But there we go. That's it. That's what my blog's all about. And 24-hour crypto prices. Look at that. Down. Everything's down except for Tron. I have some Tron. And you're sitting at 1.5 cents. So unless you buy $1 million worth and it goes up 5%, you do all right. But I mean, these are more like penny stocks. A little Monero and Dash. Look at these. There's a lot here. Not a lot, but the basic ones, the big three, if you can call them that. Like Metallica, Slayer, and Megadeth, or the big three car manufacturers. But this is the big three cryptocurrencies, right? Bitcoin being the king of crypto. And there you have it. That's my blog. And I bid you a happy Sunday, December 1st. And go about your day and make sure if you're driving, there's a lot of crazy drivers out there now. Everybody's in the traffic, rush. So many car accidents. The weather's bad. So take it easy out there and have a good day. See you.